welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will be learning about a function called as COALESCE. So to explain what COALESCE means, I'll show you the example first, and then we will learn about the function, the usage of the function, and how we can implement that function into a practical thing. So for that, we are ready with the database. We will take a table first, and here we will put medicine name, monthly requirement, and third would be the quantity. So if you see here for this some medicines, it is showing blank. That means data is not available. But what I want, instead of blank, I want to set up this as a 0. So how we can do that? So do this or do get this output, we need to use COALESCE function. So what COALESCE function does is whatever expression we provide, that will search for the output of that expression in first column. If it finds the output, it will show the output. Otherwise, it will jump down to second option. So we will write down the summation of quantity in first option, and in second option we will write down 0. So wherever it is not getting the output, it will jump down to 0 and it will fill up this gap as a 0 as the output. So we'll see that practically now. We'll go here and we'll write one major. We will provide a name of major as test equals to COALESCE. Then we will write down sum of quantity we want to take, and that quantity we will take from medicines purchased. The same way we have taken this medicine purchased here, so we are writing down that sum in here, and then we will put down comma and then 0. So what does this mean is it will search down for the summation, and wherever it is not finding out the output, it will jump down to 0 and we'll press enter. And after that, I'll pick this up major and I'll put down this major in the table. So can you see up here? It is showing the same values, but where the values are not available, it is jumping down to next value, which is 0, and it is filling up the 0. So this is how the COALESCE function works. So guys, hope you are learning, and please do subscribe to my channel. Please help me to increase our subscribers, and like the video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.